Welcome to the Ultra Blue channel, your ultimate destination for tech tutorials and guides. Today, we will provide a comprehensive, step-by-step guide on how to increase virtual memory, also known as the paging file, to speed up your computer. Adjusting your virtual memory settings can enhance your system's performance, especially when running resource-intensive applications. Virtual memory, or the paging file, is a portion of your hard drive that Windows uses as if it were RAM. When your physical RAM is full, your system moves data to the virtual memory to ensure smooth operation. Increasing your virtual memory can help improve performance, particularly if you frequently run out of physical memory. Adjust your virtual memory settings, open the Start menu and type Advanced System Settings, then select View Advanced System Settings from the list. In the System Properties window, go to the Advanced tab and click on Settings under the Performance section. In the Performance Options window, go to the Advanced tab and click on Change under the Virtual Memory section. Uncheck the box that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Select the drive where you want to change the paging file size, usually the C drive. Choose Custom Size and enter the initial and maximum size for your virtual memory. A good rule of thumb is to set the initial size to 1.5 times your physical RAM and the maximum size to 3 times your physical RAM. For example, if you have 8 GB of RAM, you can set the initial size to 12 GB, 12 to 288 megabytes, and the maximum size to 24 GB, 24576 megabytes. Click Set and then OK to apply the changes. After adjusting your virtual memory settings, you need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Save your work and click Restart Now when prompted. To ensure optimal performance, regularly monitor your memory usage using Task Manager or Resource Monitor. If you find that your system frequently uses virtual memory, consider adding more physical RAM. Increasing your virtual memory can help improve your computer's performance, especially when running resource-intensive applications. Remember to monitor your system's memory usage and consider adding more physical RAM if needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to the Ultra Blue channel for more tech tutorials and guides. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.